Hey guys, we received this Tyocle portable level 2 EV charger, 40 to 40 volt, NEMA 1450p slot with the 23 feet cable. So comes in a really nice carry box, as you can see it here. This is really nice that you can take it anywhere you want. And then this is a mobile electric vehicle equipment that works in the home for the car charging. So very nice box with this non-slippable thing or the waterproof shell and the zipper. So let me just open this. So this is actually a 8x faster than a level 1 charger, as you know. So this one is the holder that you can put on your wall to just put it. And this is the main charger thing and the connector. So this is a level 2, like the 240 watt cable in here, and then cable is around 23 feet with the extended reach and the faster charging, the hooks and the manual. But this is a straightforward process. So the cable is really the hard wind, like a very nice superior quality cable, as I can see it here, and then the charger thing. So these are the main charger that goes into the car. I will show like the fitting and everything. So this goes into the car, and this is a level 2 NEMA plug, as you can see it here. So you can also control, the time and everything that with the buttons. And this is a hook to place in, and then plug to go with the 240 volt plug. So very heavy cable and nice design. And this is the monitor that you can monitor the speed or the charging with the hours and the time setting, and also connect it with the things. So we connected this with the plug, and then it fits really well with my EV charger. This is the level 2 charger, and you can see like it fits really well from the sides, and it starts charging well with the fast